World's first human brain scale supercomputer will go online in 2024. Our brains are remarkably energy efficient. Using just 20 watts of power, the human brain is capable of processing the equivalent of an exaflop or billion mathematical operations per second. Now, researchers in Australia are building what will be the world's first supercomputer that can simulate networks at this scale. The supercomputer, known as Deep South, is being developed by Western Sydney University. When it goes online next year, it will be capable of 228 trillion synaptic operations per second, which rivals the estimated rate of operations in the human brain. The hope is to better understand how brains can use such little power to process huge amounts of information. If researchers can work this out, they could someday create a cyborg brain vastly more powerful than our own, they said. The work could also revolutionize our understanding of how our brains work. Progress in our understanding of how brains compute using neurons is hampered by our inability to simulate brain-like networks at scale, said André van Schalk, director at Western Sydney University's International Center for Neuromorphic Systems. Simulating spiking neural networks on standard computers using graphics processing units and multi-core central processing units is just too slow and power intensive, he said. Our system will change that. Ralph Etienne Cummings at Johns Hopkins University, Baltimore, who is not involved in the work, told New Scientist that Deep South will be a game changer for the study of neuroscience. He said, if you're trying to understand the brain, this will be the hardware to do it on. Etienne Cummings said that there will be two main types of researchers who will be interested in the technology, those studying neuroscience and those who want to prototype new engineering solutions in the AI space. Deep South is just one of many research projects aiming to create a machine that will rival the human brain. Our researchers are trying to tackle the same problem by creating biological computers powered by actual brain cells. This is originally published on Business Insider. This is by Eli Zolfaghari-Fard on Science Alert. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.